It was about 6 o'clock and I slipped off the sofa, landed on the floor and became completely immobile. I was obviously in a hospital. In my head I was saying, hello, hello, I'm here. And I realised no one could hear me. I was invisible. All I had was a clock on the wall. My days, they just drifted, they were long. My family had been assembled to see if they wanted to turn off the life support machine. I was scared shitless. I was that underdog and I was gonna do it. And I was gonna prove you all wrong who've written me off, who wanted to turn off my life support. Sod you.
And then push with the stick on your other leg. 1, 2, 3, push.
I never stopped. I never ever stopped. People walk round with masks on. I had those masks too. And all those masks, in an instant, they went. And what left me with was thinking, who the hell am I?